Alright, so you can see I've got the little pigtail hanging out there. So you've got the part coming out of the harness, and you've got the actual Bluetooth adapter, which you can pop off here. So just an OBD2 Bluetooth adapter, and then this is what actually comes with the harness. It's hiding right under this panel here. You can see there's a little separation right there, and around here on the sides there's two clips here, one up here and two more right here on a 2018 Model 3. So at this point you'll want to check your Scan My Tesla app before you cover everything back up. To go in here, you'll need to go to your settings, click the wrench. You'll want to go to choose Bluetooth device. You don't see it because it's not paired yet, so we'll go to Bluetooth settings. We'll pair a new device, OBD2. Okay, it's paired. If you get an error, like a timeout error at the bottom, sometimes it helps to unplug and then reconnect the Bluetooth adapter and see if that helps. We'll give that a shot. There we go. You can see we're getting data. We've connected. Getting our powertrain. Let's look at HVAC. I've got the heat on. And it's working. We are getting data.